Afternoon, folks. My name is Andy McNamara. I'm the program chair for the certificate and the higher diploma in engineering in BIM. So over the next minute or so, I'm just going to talk you through each of those programs. The first program we're going to look at is the certificate in engineering in BIM. So this is a level 8, 1 year long, 20 credit program. So we're currently actually restructuring the fees at the moment, but we envisage that after the DASBE funding that they will be €500 per student. So it takes place over 1 year or 1 academic year, so 2 semesters. So students are enrolled for the 2 semesters. In the first semester, they take the BIM Virtual Modeling Fundamentals module. So this module allows students to develop strong skills using Autodesk Revit. And then we look at some visualization packages such as Twinmotion and Lumion as well. So we begin as if everyone's an absolute beginner. We begin with the basics and work our way through to, by the end of it, having strong 3D modeling skills. In semester 2, students choose an elective in their field of interest. So these are, we've BIM architecture, BIM structure, infrastructure, MEP, so mechanical, electrical and plumbing, BIM for contractors, and BIM for sustainable building and energy simulation. There's quite a few different modules that you can choose for the elective. After completing those 2 semesters, a student can finish their certificate in BIM and leave with the certificate in BIM. They also have the option of staying on to pursue the higher diploma in engineering in BIM. It's also worth noting that both of these programs are done in a blended environment. So every second week we have an on-campus workshop, and every other week then the classes are delivered online. So we have the higher diploma in engineering in BIM, and that's made up of 2 years, 4 semesters. The first 2 years of it that we see in red, they are the certificate in BIM. So some students might enroll straight away on the higher diploma, and they would be in the same group as the students who are doing the certificate in BIM for the first year, the first 2 semesters. Upon completing those, students will begin the BIM collaboration module. So in this module, students are going to look at kind of fundamentals of collaboration and working in a common data environment using the likes of Autodesk Construction Cloud. We'll be working as a team doing collaborative projects, developing BIM execution plans from EIRs and the likes of that, and delivering, I suppose, real world type BIM projects in college as teams. While that's running, students will also complete the BIM research project, where they'll pick a topic of area related to BIM. But most of the time, students pick an area that they're actually using or that they're working on in their work or in the office at the moment. And they're going to analyze and evaluate it in detail and gather, because it was primary and secondary research, and produce a research project. Next slide, please, Jimmy. So with the higher diploma in engineering in BIM, again, like I said, we're restructuring the cost at the moment, so we envisage it'll be €1,500 per student for the 2 years. Again, this is in a blended teaching environment. Students would need to be on campus every second week, and every other week then will be online. So when I say on campus, it's the ATU Galway campus in Galway City. Upon completing this, many of our students have gone on to become BIM coordinators and BIM managers, but they're also the option to progress on to the Masters in BIM and Digital Leadership that Jimmy is going to talk to you about now.